Hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday night. Get ready with me while I touch up this face. Just do a little bit of quick touch up just for fun. Let's see if I can do this in 3 minutes. So I'm going to take my blush contour brush, cashmere powder foundation, do a quick anti-shine, quick powder. Then I'm going to line my lips with the Creme Shop, my Wand and Only, the matte. I'm going to line my lips, and this is in Hey Lucy, I'm Home. Do a quick lip. You wouldn't think that pink and red would go together, but when you put them together like this, or Lucy, I'm Home, and then I'm putting, it's called Blush Hour, is the other shade, on top. Inside and on top. Both of these dry matte. They'll dry down matte. I'm going to add new lip oil that I just got. Tipsy lip oil. And that is in the shade Love Galore. Love Galore. Okay. Taking the other end, the angled end, dipping it into FMG Glimmer Quad, even though it's eyeshadow. I use it as blush bronzer. Just a quick touch up. Do a little contour, little nose contour. Taking that same, doing the burgundy, the deep burgundy shade in this quad. I already obviously had some other makeup on. I'm kind of going around above the crease and blending it in. Over that, taking it's a black contour, dipping it in. This one was Bombshell, and this one is Icon, dipping this into the burgundy. Doing just a little smoky eye in the corner. Bam. Just go over everything with a quick dust. There we go. Have a great night. Bye.